guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the April Little Bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today the April 2025 Little Bee box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this month is going to fall into the little boy box. So this one is going to be geared towards the little boy who is 2 years old, and I'm super excited to see what's going to be in here. Then I can mail this to my friend and we can see some photos of him enjoying the contents in this box. That's a great thing about this box, is it keeps busy moms doing what they're doing, staying, in their own little world, doing what they need to do. And Little Bee Box ships the boxes to help busy moms with everything that they need for that stage of life. You do tell them the gender and the age when you do sign up. So each box is like a mystery box just for that specific child that it's going to. All age appropriate, seasonal appropriate, and I just love to see what's inside. So let's dive in without further ado and let's see what's going to be in here for him. Ooh, when you first open it up, right on top, you do have their card. It's like their thank you card. And if you do have social and you want to tag them, you can tag them and you might be featured on their site. There is a card right on top that says, "Today, ask for help from family or friends. It helps make you stronger." Definitely, if you need anything, nobody's going to read your mind, so you have to speak. People need to know. Again, you can't always just assume they're going to know you need the help. So if you need it, say it, definitely. Here is the April Bloom Baby Bloom, and it says, "Spring is a reminder that growth takes time, and just like little flowers, you are blooming beautifully in your journey of motherhood. Every hug, every giggle, and even the tired moments are a part of the season of love." I just love that. Every month there's a new little blurb to read, and I love telling you guys that. On the other side, it's going to go over what's in the box with the pricing. And last box, I did tell you the owner actually came out with her own book. So if you were interested, you can definitely check the Amazon link. I'll list it in the description box again below if you want to check that out. She came out with her own book, and it just is a great book if you wanted to read her tips and pointers on how keeping all motherhood and everything all together all at once. So if you want to check out that book, it's now available. So there's this little bee wrapping paper that is actually so adorable because it's the little bee box that they found, bee tissue paper. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I love that tissue paper. Okay, so here is a sneak peek to inside of the box. Let's go with this first little thing from Bluey that I saw here. Anytime I get the little girl and I'm babysitting her, if Bluey's on, I put that on because I think it's such a cute cartoon. I haven't watched it by myself. I only watch it when she's here, but Bluey is a really cute cartoon, and I love the colors, the blue and the orange. It says bingo Bluey and there's the tag, and it says that it is leak proof, so he's gonna get his own leak proof Bluey cup. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna go with the outfit. Is that Lion King? Hakuna Matata. Oh, look at how cute. Hakuna Matata. I love the Lion King. Now this one should be 2T. Yes, we are in the right size with him. He's growing like a little weed. So we are in 2T. So here is the top. And here are the little shorts. Oh my gosh. They look like little athletic shorts, like basketball shorts. Like I can see through them. So that'll be nice for the summer. He won't get too hot. But look at how cute. What a cute little outfit, especially for the summer. So I cannot wait to see him in that. And I love Lion King. The Disney Lion King Boys 2-piece set is valued at $20.59. And I apologize, I did not tell you the price of my Bluey cup over here. The Bluey cup, ooh, there's something else that's Bluey in here, I see. The Bluey cup is $12.99. Let's find, here we go. Look, he's going to have his own silverware set that matches with Bluey. It's a utensils set, stainless steel, and it's a Bluey right there. Look at how cute. That is so adorable that it's a matching set. So the Bluey utensil set is $11.99. So he'll have his own Bluey silverware to eat. How cute. Okay, you guys, next up, we are going to have the reading book, and this is Baby Einstein Video Fun Book, Sound and Action. It says scan, watch, and listen. So there's a little QR on the back. Oh no, there's one on each page. So while you're going through the book, you can scan the QR, and then I wonder what it does. Let's see. What will it move at me? Because the first one is a cow. So let's see what happens. That is so cool. It's literally showing a cow and all the different cows. How cute. So each one you can actually do the QR and it'll show you in live motion that animal. That is so cool. I thought it was gonna like moo, but no. But here is the book again, and here's the QR on each one that you can just scan, watch, and listen. That is so cute. So the reading book here is valued at $4. I got another page here. $4.99. These little cardboard pages. There's a horse and oink, oink, oink. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love when there's books in there. So here is the book. Then it shows there's a photo album. So it must have came like at random. So maybe this is so the mom can put some photos of him in here and keep like photos in one area. It says photo album, $11. It has like a mermaid print on it. And then it's just all clear pages inside that you can put all your photos in, have them in one area. So here is a photo book, again, valued for $11. And then the last thing is the free gift for the mom. It's not added like the value when everything's on here. It says free gift for the mom. There's normally, yep, there's the sticker. There's a sticker right there that says free gift for you. And I always love that because it's not just for the baby. There's one little surprise in there for the mom, and it could be anything and everything under the sun, but it's always a free gift for the mom every time, not at value. And I love that they do that. This month we have a Juicy Couture lash curler and tweezers set. So you have the lash curlers and the tweezers, Juicy Couture set right there. That is so cool. So that's, again, the free gift for the mom, no value whatsoever. So that is everything for this April box. A quick recap. You have the gift for the mom. You have the reading book, which you can scan the QR and actually see the animals in motion. That's neat. There's a Bluey cup, Bluey utensil set. That is so cute. There is a photo book and Hakuna Matata, a cute little outfit. Okay, you guys, so now that is everything for this April box. Again, it's geared towards a little 2-year-old little boy. So that is what he's gonna get. Every single box is a complete mystery based on that specific child that it's going to. And I just love these boxes. I just love kids' clothes and kids' things, and I just love that. If you would like a little bit more information about this box as far as like the pricing, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code with them that they created for you guys, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. The Little Bee box includes 5 to 8 products picked by our passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. You can do the gold term, which is month per month. That one is $51.95 per box. If you like to save money, you can go to the silver plan, which is the 6-month term. That will bring your box price down to $45.95 per box. If you like to save even more money, you can go to the full annual plan, which is the platinum, 12 boxes, bringing your box price down to $43 per box. So the more you prepay, the cheaper the box is. And these are just amazing boxes, again, curated just for that specific child. They do have a one-time gift box. So if you know somebody who's having a baby or having a birthday, if you can or cannot attend, you can do the one-time box. That one is $65 with free US shipping. So if you cannot attend, you can ship it straight to the recipient and then they will already have it. If you are gonna go, you can ship it to yourself, you can wrap it, bring it with you, whichever you would like, but there is free shipping with the one-time box. Again, $65. You get to choose newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. And then you choose a color, pink, blue, or neutral. And then they will take all of that into consideration, curate that box, and ship it out. So you can do that one. Again, that's the $65, but everything will be listed down below. You can pop on over to their site and see what they have to offer and use that code SheCrafty to save 30% off your very first box. If you wanted to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate it. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What did you think of the items this time? What did you think of the outfits? What do you think of the cup and the utensil set matching? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.